Hello friends, welcome to Yogic and Modern Science. In today's episode, we will be taking two sutras of second part of Shiv Sutra. This is sutra number 8 and 9. And then in the next episode, we will be taking the last sutra of this part, and that is 10th sutra. Now, Sutra 8 says, Shariram Havihi means the body is heavy, or in Hindi it is called Ahuti. Now, although the sutra is very small and nothing is clear from the sutra, so from outside it appears to be very flat, or it does not suggest any understanding in this. But if we explore into this sutra, this is very, very deep. Because this sutra is related to the system of prakriti. How does prakriti maintain itself, its system, its affairs? How does it manage itself? So this sutra is indicative of the management of the prakriti. Now friends, what is sharir? Because sutra says shariram havi. What is sharir? What is body? In prakriti, it may be the human body, it may be the body of animals, it may be any kind of body. And according to Shiva, whatever is visible is body. In the previous sutra, in the previous episodes, I have explained that whatever is visible or apart from the drashta, it is nothing but body. Now, the sutra says body is heavy. Now, what is body? Whatever is created in the prakriti, it is created with the help of three principles. The principles of the prakriti. I am not talking about the original principles. But there are three principles in prakriti. Sakar, Nirakar, and the jeevatma, means akar. So akar is jeevatma. Akar means the minute formula of the creativity, or the system of prakriti and parmatma. So the combination, the formula in the form of combination of these two principles. So the formulas in the form of akar, they also exist in the prakriti. So in the prakriti there are three elements. There is sakar, material; nirakar, material but transparent; and akar means the system, the formula. So with the help of these three elements in the prakriti, everything is created. Similarly, our body is also created with the help of these three things, these three principles: sakar, nirakar, and akar. Akar means jeevatma. So all kinds of bodies are formed like this. Now, in order to maintain its affairs, the prakriti, there is a provision in prakriti. Prakriti tries to maintain itself, its dynamics, its development. Sutra says we should contribute something or other to the prakriti through this body. Shariram Havi means through our body or body itself, how can we contribute to the prakriti? We can contribute, or we keep on contributing something or other to the prakriti. Even if we don't want to contribute, prakriti will make us to contribute. Otherwise, the affair of prakriti cannot go on. Normally, what do we do with our body? We produce children, and children are nothing but the seed we have left in the system of prakriti. Now, through our body, our children will be contributing further to the prakriti. In this way, all the affairs of prakriti will go on developing. And in this way, prakriti manages itself, its own growth, its own development, its own dynamism. So, we are human beings. If had we been the plants, had we been some insects in the mud, then we would have contributed in some other way. But the sutra says we will have to make some contribution to the prakriti so that the prakriti can manage itself. And while managing its affairs by the prakriti, the original principles should not be visible, because the affair of prakriti, it goes on due to, you can say, due to the disappearance of our original nature. If we come to realize our original nature, then the system of prakriti will be wiped out for us. There will not be any system of prakriti, because we have come to realize our own original nature. Now, contrary to this, forgetting our original nature and identifying ourselves with the elements of prakriti or with the affair of prakriti, by contributing to the prakriti can keep up its affairs. Prakriti can develop further. It can go further. So, what is required? We need to contribute something or other through our body or our body itself. And we need to identify ourselves in the prakriti and forgetting our true nature. This is the requirement of the prakriti or for the development of the prakriti. So, our original nature need to be forgotten. It looks absurd, but it is the truth. So, this is the sutra number 8. Now, moving on to the 9th sutra, sutra number 9. The sutra says, Jnanam Annam, means the knowledge is food. Now, Lord Shiva refers food to anything which we take and give, or whatever is transacted. We can take food in the form of eatables. There are some people I have heard. There are many saints who live on air only. There are saints who live only on water. They don't take eatables, solid food. So, for them, the food is air or water. There are some who don't seem to take anything anything solid or liquid, it means they are taking air, or maybe they are directly taking in the energy of sun or sunlight. So food could be anything, anything that we take in and give out. So whatever is taken in or given out is food. And food is necessary for the knowledge. Knowledge means the awareness of oneself. If you don't take anything, if you don't take any food, then you will lose your consciousness. Means you will lose your knowledge about yourself. So knowledge could be knowledge about yourself or knowledge about some others, but knowledge is knowledge. So in the absence of food, there won't be any consciousness of yourself. Consciousness will be lost. So Sutra says food is knowledge. Without food, there cannot be any knowledge. And food could be in any form. It could be in the form of eatables, it could be in the form of air, water, or sunlight. Right? So, this sutra is indicative of this fact. Without food, there cannot be any knowledge, any consciousness. Now, friends, in the next episode, we'll be talking about the last sutra of the second part of Shiv Sutra. And that sutra is a little deeper. It is related to the energy of sound, and which is the origin of the whole creativity. So, till the next sutra for this episode, thanks for watching.